Well, go on, when you depend, welcome forward to Sandy and Bone Steve. You don't know Sandy and Bone Steve, you're the real Stevie around here, but yo, I don't know where RT depend, but RT up to something with Queenie, you know, I not tell no lie. No. RT like Queenie, yeah. And they want there with her, you see, I not go around the corner and talk. And do we not really like that still? No, do we go take a wash off? I'm not too trust them people enough. I know, so yo, something up to something you see. So if you're new around here, just remember to like, comment, and share, and subscribe to the TV. Sandy, what you have to say to the people?
Yeah, make sure to check out the description. Our merch, membership. You can become a member of the channel and wallet for good things. You don't know Queenie, big up yourself and I can say you really look like you're into art boss time and spending money big time. So yeah, big up on yourself, everybody on the channel. Happy New Year. I'm going to see you safe. It's a girl Sandy.
Wakey, rise and ball. Side me junk. Event! I go see my queen, me live enough for anybody put me up, me just got next.
Definitely.
I ain't to do me, sir. RT boss, right there. RT are king boss. Nobody can tell me nothing. You put your money where your mouth there. Big up your damn self. RT! Love him, me say. Mad blood clot. Mad. The man miserable and ignorant and dark! What you call it? Yvette me drunk out blood clot. Why? You know this one me?
Where babes of her?
Why? Me drunk no blood clot. No, you know say them sorry me. Anybody want this them wake up man, bumper clot, the bag of sleeping. Go man, daylight. You see you king stop with them in the man.
What? Yeah, man, I start me a stand up, man. Hey, that never lie. Bumbo. I feel the powers already, my God, man. Hey, that. Which one? Right, that's it. Dave? Yeah, man, the power's real, man. You hear? Never tell her. Right, that's it.
Yeah, man, light.
Dave?
Everything. Light in our bubble. Yeah.
Never tell a lie. Cut and clear all crosses for 2024. You hear that? Eh? Connect, you know, in a real life. You see, 3 piece, cut and clear all like what? Negative energy, you know. A positive we are dealing for the year, you understand? All hatred, you know? Yeah. Put all I eat in them now. Like now. Right now, me I feel energy and I never tell a lie. Watch it. Energy real. Real. No that. Yeah, man, if you take it for energy, drop all in a mate, you know. Never tell a lie. Never. Never. The face get wash. Never lie, you know. Cut and clear all crosses. Want to sit down in there, but me can't sit down in there because you don't know my badness. We never plan faith, you know. Data code. 3 piece. Where you say, my God? No? Yeah.
When I'm ready for them, like, Queenie, call me. I start over my life. Queenie, I start over my life. Somebody tell Queenie for me. Oh, I go panda one here. I need your phone. Somebody send Queenie number, come give me. You know, it's a long time video that. But I know me hurt her since night when I say she workless. Yes, bitch. Me and you workless alike. Queenie, call me. I start over my
Congratulate Rodney Price. That's Bounty Killer. You're doing an excellent job. Russian, you need to quickly authorize Maca Diamond song. Still got it. Don't play around.